Take 553 trying to get this damn thing started. Let's see what we got. This thing is so retarded. Oh. There we go. That'll work. We got valve knock, but they're probably out of adjustment anyway. And we don't have a full tank of gas, and the speedometer doesn't read anything. And it shakes like a banshee because it's such a big bore. Gotta get it past that compression stroke. Hondas are cold-blooded, man. Take this Parker brake off, get them brake lights off so we can get some juice. We'll put those back there. Wait for that to heat up a little bit. Make sure we don't hit up there. Oh yeah, we're good. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, you guys want to hear the other problem with the Rincon? It's a well-known problem with the transmissions on these things, is that they like to grind and going into usually reverse, and this one grinds going into reverse. So let's see here. You got to be really quick and jab it into drive or it just grinds. Oh, that worked. Got an auto. Speedometer doesn't work. There we go. Neutral. Sweet. Coolant's heating up. It's always good. Alrighty. Let's see here. 5,890 miles. 724.9 engine hours. Interesting.